Good morning. This is Rajiv Khanna. If you need to get student-wise result in individual Excel file for objective type questions having up to 10 options, then our Easytest student interactive system, which is totally wireless, is the thing for you. And this, how it works, we giving you a question bank also. We can open the question bank. This has different subjects. Let's go, suppose we go to the class 9 subjects. Now let's go into history subject. Suppose we go to chapter 2. This is opening a PowerPoint automatically, which is designed to take up our Easytest interactive response system, all being done wirelessly. This is it. You need to import the student list just once, as it being done. There you are. You have a student list of 4 just for example. We are ready. We'll go to the full screen now using the teacher's remote. There you are. We are given a timer of 30 seconds, which we can of course increase, decrease, whatever we want. We'll start the slide. It started, as you can see. If all the students have answered, we know about it, we can stop the slide. There you are. 4 people have answered, so 3 have given option 2, 1 has given option 1. We'll go into the next one. The question is, who were Jadid this? These are the options given, and our assistants over here are giving the options, are giving the answers. That's it. So all 4 have answered option 2. Which is the correct one? Now let's go and see the results. Results by individual participants in individual Excel files. There were a total of 4 participants, so we'll have 4 Excel files over here. They are opening right now. There you are. This is the first one. Keypad number 1. Name is Satish, gender male. Whatever detail you need, you can give it over here. He has given, we've asked just 2 questions. He has given answer to the both of them. You can see. We go to the next student. The next student is, next student is Miss Khushi. This is what she has answered over there. Let's go to the next one. This is it. Let's close this. And you can get result back questions also, that which question got what number in percentage of correct answer, so that the teachers can again teach. As you can see in the first one, 3 people got correct answers. Second question, no one got correct, so the second question needs to be taught again. We'll go to one more slide. This is it. This is for the big boss, the principal or the director, to know in one sheet. This is it. There were 4 students, male or female. This is the score given, percentage correct, the ranking given over there, and green is correct, red is wrong. Is it correct, sir? And this is the remote. Let me see. This is the wireless receiver, which I guess they need to be attached to the USB port. And this is the wireless teacher remote to change the slide, stop the slide, and do whatever, over and on.